Welcome to the new SurveyMe dashboard. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create and analyze surveys using the new dashboard. If you're familiar with our old dashboard, it won't take long for you to get a handle on the new one. This is the starting screen. It's exactly the same as the menu screen up at the top of the nav bar. First things first, let's go ahead and get started creating our first survey. We'll choose a multiple choice question to get started. Enter a question, a description, and type in as many answers as you want. If you don't want an answer, go ahead and delete it. You have the option of making sure people answer this question before they move on to the next one. Now I'll add a comment question. This is an open-ended question where participants can enter anything they want into the box. Finally, I'll add a rating scale question. This is where you can have the participants pick a number between two set parameters. This question is critical for Net Promoter Score. Tap the upside-down triangles to get a quick glance at the answers each question contains. You can use the three buttons on the right to edit, duplicate, or delete questions. Once you're happy with the current selection of questions, you can go ahead and go to the next section of the survey, which will be entering your details. Give your survey a title. Select the dates it will be active through. Choose a logo to display next to the survey. Choose a background. And choose if you would like the survey to be publicly displayed on the app. If you want, you can have the survey start right from the beginning immediately after finishing it. This is useful for gathering responses at kiosks or conventions if you're using the SurveyMe app. The next step will be choosing what locations you want your survey to be displayed at. This is important if you have an enterprise account with multiple locations. If your survey is public, anyone near those locations will be able to see it on the SurveyMe app. You can select all your locations at the top, or you can select them individually. You can always remove locations you don't want active from the right column. Next, you can add a reward. You can choose a pre-existing one or create a new one. I'll go ahead and create a new one here. First, type in a reference, which is a name only you'll be able to see. Then, choose a reward category. Enter a name for the reward that will appear on the app, and enter in your company name. Enter in a description, then choose a logo if you want. Choose how the reward will be redeemed, either through text information, a unique code, image, or barcode. Choose the reward you want. Now, this is our last chance to make sure all the information is correct. Once you're sure, go ahead and click Submit. If you have an enterprise account, you'll see a map featuring all of your survey locations. If you do not, you'll simply see the launch codes. Launch codes are ways of distributing your survey. You can use a QR code, a short code that can be entered into the app, or an online link that can be taken from a desktop or on an app. Now that you have your live survey, you can manage all of the surveys you have by going to the Manage tab at the top. From here, you can quickly see how many live surveys you have running. The buttons on the right allow you to view launch codes, edit, clone, and delete any survey. You can also manage your locations, rewards, and logos by scrolling down farther. You can use the left menu to access these sections quicker. You can also view the results of the survey from this page, but you can go to the Analytics page to get a more in-depth reading. From here, you can choose a survey, the type of report you want, what dates of data you want to look at, and view the results. The About section contains your information, which you can edit at any time. And the Help tab is useful if you have any questions. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, be sure to visit survey-me.com/contact-us to get in touch. Thanks. Have a good rest of the day.